Cat. What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're just filling sandbags to prevent the water from coming in the house in case it floods. We got them from our local fire station.
You know what? Last night I heard on the news that we're expecting heavy rain, so we're just preparing ourselves, man.
Rain in SoCal? Man, everybody knows it doesn't rain over here. Shoot, I mean, we've been a drought the past few years. But, all right, have fun with that.
Breaking news at 5 o'clock, severe thunderstorms triggering mudslides north of Los Angeles along Lake Hughes Road.
Man, I thought you said it didn't rain in Southern California.
Gee,
What's going up there?
I guess it did today, man. I was in my car and just cruising around, and apparently rain, flash flood. Tried to jump out the car, and I guess I'm up here now.